Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to see who favorite your TikTok videos. So let's get started. Basically you can't do it, but you can check how many people favorite your TikTok videos. So let's go, I show you how you can do it exactly. Tap on profile and find any of your videos, then open this video, for example this one video. Alright, and here as you can see it's a section of favorite videos, and you can see numbers, how many people added to favorite videos this your video. As you can see, 354 people added my video to favorite on his account. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.